Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Huringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for PUNJLLOYD Limited. PUNJLLOYD is the ticker name too, and what you're watching is the monthly technical chart of the stock. And PUNJLLOYD is into engineering and construction, and this is the historical price chart of PUNJLLOYD, and these are all the technical indicators that are deployed on the stock to do the technical analysis. And these are all the graphs generated by these technical indicators. And regarding data, we have data since 2013 onwards up to 2017 November 22nd. Okay, if you look at the historical price path pattern, the stock had already reached its. I'm zooming. Yeah, the stock had already reached its peak price as per the data we are having on January 2013 itself. That time when the stock was trading at 65 rupees. Okay, and after that it made one more attempt to reach to that level, but unfortunately it couldn't, and it went up to 61 instead of 65. And after that that was the last attempt from the stock, and after that it went down, it crashed down actually, and when it crashed in June 2016, that time the stock was trading at 16 rupees, 16 rupees. Okay, and since then it has been lying low and consistently making small highs, but actually it broke into sideways movement. That's what we can clearly see that here. I'm keeping the cursors here for your understanding. You see all the highs that this stock recently made are touching one particular point, are coming up to 27 rupees and going back, going down, actually as if it is facing a price resistance barrier there. Okay, even right now the stock is going down. It's in a consolidation phase. You can clearly see this red candle here. This red candle represents this month. Okay, November month 2017 candle. Okay, stock is going down right now. It's in the consolidation phase. Okay, you can though the stock is under the influence of positive super trend mode, and the stock I mean has to make a significant movement in the price rise, but which it is not showing right now. And one more thing, the stock is in that construction domain where infrastructure related stuff, our projects are getting these days infrastructure related projects are getting a huge boost, and we don't know. Still, we are not seeing that sort of a reflection here, the positive reflection in the stock movement here. Okay, now that is the market point. Technically, the stock is lying low right now, and it is yet to cross its 20-day moving average, and 50-day I think it just now crossed, and it is right now under the influence of positive super trend mode, which is good. Relative strength of the stock is quite down, and direction strength had crashed. Stochastics is below the midpoint, and price volume change more or less same. I'm not seeing significant spikes, and momentum is constant, and it is playing in the negative zone right now. And balance of power and elder balance of power is saying the stock is in bearish mode, and whereas elder is showing slightly bullish this thing. And Kovac curve is showing that stock is playing in the negative zone. That means this time to sell. And but if you see this curve, it is slightly entering, about to enter, cut through the zero line and about to come up, but it is not yet. But if you draw a dotted line here, the trending line, the trend seems to be that the stock, the Kovac curve is going to cut through the zero line and will enter into the positive phase. Seems like that, but we need to see that. We will at this moment we are not getting any positive signal from anywhere, or not even a single guiding point is throwing a positive signal regarding the future. To help us to predict the future of the stock in a positive way. So as for me, as per my analysis, the stock cannot be considered for long-term investment at this moment. We'll come back to the stock later after a few days, and then we will see. We will redo the analysis based on the new points. But until then, the stock cannot be considered for long-term investment. Even for short-term, also I doubt. But since we are making these videos from long-term perspective, I conclude that the stock cannot be considered for long-term investment. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.